Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change ringtones for a contact on iPhone. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, tap on the call icon on your iPhone. Move to the contacts section. There, it shows all the contacts available in your iPhone. Choose the contact for which you want to change the ringtone by tapping on it. Then you are redirected to the contact page. Tap on the Edit option available at the top right corner. Then it allows you to make changes to the contact. Scroll a bit downward and there you will find the ringtone option. Tap on it. Then it redirects you to the ringtone settings. There you will find all the built-in ringtones. Choose one by tapping on it. Later click on Done. Again, click on Done to save the ringtone for contact. You can also check the change of ringtone as displaying on screen. If you want to use a custom song as ringtone on iPhone, then you need to check out our video on how to create a custom ringtone on iPhone. Link will be in the description and above iCards. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.